Hello everyone. Today's topic is black box testing. It is also called functional testing. Black box testing is also known as behavioral testing, functional testing. Is a software testing method in which the internal structure and design and implementation of the item being tested is not known to the tester. टेस्टर को पता ही नहीं होता कि वो टेस्ट हुआ है. These tests can be functional or non-functional. Though usually functional. Input data, system under test, and output data. Output domain, this is the input domain. Okay, this method is named so because the software program in the eyes of the tester is like a black box inside which one cannot see. This method attempts to find errors like incorrect or missing functions, interface errors, errors in data structure or external database access, and behavioral or performance errors, initialization and termination errors. Then, black box testing either functional or non-functional without reference to the internal structure of the component or system. For example, a tester without knowledge of internal structure of a website tests the web page by using browser, providing inputs, click, keystrokes, and verifying the outputs against the expected outcomes. Black box testing method is applicable of the three levels of software testing. First is integration testing, second is system testing, and third is acceptance testing. The higher the level, and hence the bigger and more complex the box, the more black box testing method come into use. Techniques, what are the techniques? So some techniques that can be used for designing black box test. First is equivalence partitioning. It is a software test design technique that involves dividing inputs values into valid or invalid or valid and invalid partition and selecting the representative value from each partition as test data. Second is boundary value analysis. It is a software test design technique that involves the determination of boundaries for input values and selecting values that are at the boundaries and just inside or outside of the boundaries as test data. And third is cause effect graphing. It is a software test design technique that involves identifying the cases, input conditions, and effects, output conditions, producing a cause effect graph, and generating test cases accordingly. What are the advantages of black box testing? First, number one, tests are done from the user points of view and will help in exposing discrepancies in the specification. Second, tester need not know programming language or how the software has been implemented. Third, tests can be conducted by a body independent from the developer, allowing for an objective perspective and the avoidance of developer's bias. Test cases can be designed as soon as the specifications are complete. What about disadvantages? Only a small number of possible inputs can be tested and many program paths will be left untested. इसमें क्या होता है, कुछ पास हम छूट जाते हैं, रह जाते हैं. Without clear specification, which is the situation in many projects, test cases will be difficult to design. Without clear specification, which is the situation in many projects, test cases will be difficult to design. Third is, tests can be redundant if the software designer had already run a test case. Or ever wondered why a synthesizer close the eyes when foretelling events So is almost in case in black box testing. Okay, thank you so much.